Hello kid, hope you are doing great today. Today we are doing add the numbers. Let's start. 1, 1 0 here, 1, again 1 0. How many 0 are there? 1, 2. Write 2 here. Next 2. Write 2 0 here. Next 1. 1 0 here. Count the 0. 1, 2, 3. How many 0 are there? 3. Write 3 here. Next 3. Write 3 0 here. Again 1. Write 1 0. How many 0 are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Write 4 here. Next 4. Write 4 0 here. Next 1 and 1. How many 0 are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Write 5 here. Next, how many 0 are there? 5. Write 0. 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. 1. Again add 1 0. Count how many 0 are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. Write 6 here. Next 6. Write 6 0 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 2. Add 2 0. 2. Count how many 0 are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Write 8. Next 7. Write 7 0 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And 2. Write 2 0. How many 0 are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. Write 9 here. Next 2. 1, 2 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Count how many 0 are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Write 6 here. That's all for today kids. Thank you so much.